everyone, let's begin. First, download the framework from the links below in the description. After downloading and unzipping the zip file, it will automatically open the extracted folder. Now run the install_all.bat file from the folder as an administrator. Now just wait for the installation process to finish. It will automatically install all the frameworks. As you can see, all frameworks have been successfully installed. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.